Bonsoir à tous et bienvenue en direct du plateau télé des IFV en compagnie de Jelena Dokic qui vient de se qualifier pour la finale du simple. Good evening, Jelena.
Good evening.
And congratulations
Thank
for
you.
your qualification. You played very well today. Your strokes went very good. How do you feel today?
Good. She has played well in this tournament, and she won her matches pretty easy. So it was going to be a tough match, but I played good. I think I was very solid with my shots from the baseline. I was returning well and serving well. Maybe a little bit in the second set, my serve percentage went down, but overall, I'm happy that I won.
Today you played final, so are you a bit tired?
No, I feel good. I was maybe tired at the beginning of the week a little bit because I played the last few tournaments and I did quite well, and I played a lot of matches. So after I was sick in the middle of the year, it's not always easy, to play a lot of matches. But I've been handling it well, so hopefully I can still have one more match in me tomorrow.
So tomorrow you play Sofia Arvidsson, who you already played in tour. You lost. What's about your revenge?
Yeah, she's been playing well, obviously, and I had my chance in the second set there to maybe go in the third. I had a set point, so but it's a really different surface. It was really slow there, so we'll see. This is a little bit different, and I think I'm playing well, but I will have to play very well to win tomorrow. And I didn't have such a good start in tour. I didn't start the match well, and I didn't put a lot of pressure on her in the first set. So that was a big mistake in that match. But so I will have to try to really be on top of my game from the first point tomorrow.
To come back a little bit to this match of tonight, at the end you needed 11 match points. You seemed weak. What happened?
No, I think she played well. At 5-4, I had 40-15, and I had too much points on my serve. But I think she hit one forehand winner, or two forehand winners. And then at 6-5, when I had a lot of match points, I think I only did on one of them. I did a double fault. And the others, she played good points. So, but it was very good that I was able to win that game, to win the match, because she had some break points and I did an ace on one of them.
Yeah.
So it was not an easy game, but it was good that mentally I was able to pull out the game, because after 5-4, 40-15, I was able to break her at 5-all, and I played a good game. So.
When it's so hard to conclude a match, how do you do? What do you think?
No, look, if I made easy mistakes or something, then I would be disappointed. But, like I said, she hit like 5 or 6 winners on my match points, and she played them very well. She made me, hit every ball, and some rallies, 10, 15 shots. So, sometimes those rallies can go both ways, and a lot of the rallies on juice, I won those to get the match points. So it was going back and forth, but maybe in that game I could have served a little bit better, but I pulled it out with my game. So.
And when it's difficult like that, do you hear public support, public reactions, or stay in
I think the public
bubble?
wanted to go to the tiebreak. I think it's normal when somebody is maybe losing, so they want more of a match. So they were, I think, going a little bit for her, but it's normal, maybe they would do the same if I was in her position. So.
And you will leave Poitiers tomorrow, I think. What about the city and the tournament?
It's a great city. I've never been here before, and the tournament they've done a really good job. It's very well organized, and the hotel is very nice. And we went to the city early in the week, and it's a very beautiful city, and a lot of beautiful buildings. So all the cities, I played a couple of tournaments in France. They've been really nice. So.
Next week you will play Nantes?
No, I'm done for the year. I was going to play, but I think I've done well now at this level. No matter what happens tomorrow, it's another final at 100,000, and I won 100,000 3 weeks ago. So I think it's a very good sign. I think not just because I'm winning, but because of the consistency, because I didn't start so well in this tournament, and I was able to play with each match better and better, and to get to the final. So I think it's a good end for the year, and maybe I can now focus only on WTA and have a good year next year.
And have you prepared your schedule for off-season?
I will have some time off after this tournament, maybe about 2 weeks, and then I will train probably in Paris a little bit, and then go to Australia early to adapt with the weather.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
See you tomorrow.
Thank you.